This 2022 Jayco White Hawk 25 MBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, oven, refrigerator, microwave, TV, skylight, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Jayco White Hawk 25 MBH is 6,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.